Welcome to another video about 6 herbs that protect the eyes and repair vision. Did you know that excessive use of eye drops without a doctor's prescription can contribute to serious eye diseases such as glaucoma and cataracts? This is because improper use of these products can cause an imbalance in the natural composition of tears, leading to a deterioration in eye health rather than its preservation. The eyes are extremely sensitive organs and require special care to maintain their functionality. For this reason, the use of natural herbs is a powerful alternative for protecting and repairing eyesight without resorting to expensive drugs or harmful chemicals. Stay with us until the end to discover the 6 best herbs for eye health and learn a simple tea recipe that works with any type of natural herb. Discover now how nature can help you achieve excellent vision. Number 1. Calendula. Calendula is widely used to heal wounds and to help repair burns, as well as being known as an excellent weapon in the fight against infections. Its anti-inflammatory properties are ideal for protecting the retina and relieving irritation in the eye area. The retina is a thin layer of light-sensitive tissue. It is located at the back of the eye and is made up of cells known as photoreceptors that capture, register, and decode light waves that travel via the optic nerve to the brain, where images are formed. This is the complexity of human vision, one of our body's most important senses, which requires protection and care. Calendula is the perfect ally to make this protection a reality. The best way to take advantage of all its benefits is to drink calendula tea twice a day. Just be careful not to exceed 2 cups a day so as not to risk intestinal discomfort. 2. Passion flower. Passion flower offers calming and soothing properties that reduce fatigue and tired eyes. This plant is popularly known for being used to combat various ailments, especially those linked to mental health, such as anxiety, insomnia, and nervous disorders. This herb stimulates the release of relaxing hormones and a sense of well-being, so it naturally helps to combat stress and anxiety. But what few people know is that tea made from its leaves provides excellent relaxation, not only for the mind, but also for the eyes. The use of passion flowers can be even more beneficial for people who spend long periods working or playing with electronic screens. Passion flower can be used in various forms, the most common of which are tea and extract, which are easily available. There are passion flower tablets that are sold as natural tranquilizers. They are also an excellent option for including this herb in your routine. The main side effect that people may experience is excessive sleepiness due to its calming effects. For this reason, if you are taking the tablets, it is not recommended to drive or operate machinery after taking them. 3. Burdock root. With its deep roots and heart-shaped leaves, this plant is also a great partner for eyesight. It is considered a weed in some regions, but it delivers good doses of nutrients that are essential for eye health due to its high concentrations of vitamin A, which prevents night blindness and improves the eye's ability to adapt to varying levels of light. Burdock root improves blood circulation throughout the body, which ensures that oxygen and nutrients flow properly to the eyes, guaranteeing proper functioning. Drinking a cup of burdock infusion once a day is enough to enjoy all its benefits. The maximum recommended dose is 6 grams a day and should not be exceeded. Symptoms of overdose include dry mouth, nausea, and dehydration. Have you ever used a herb to improve your eyesight? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 4. Sarsaparilla. Native to Central and South America, sarsaparilla is known scientifically as Smilax apera. It is used all around the world to cure and prevent various health problems, including those affecting vision. Sarsaparilla contains analgesic, anti-rheumatic, and antibiotic properties, among others, as well as showing promise in the treatment of colic and even syphilis. But it is its anti-inflammatory properties that make it a powerful helper against eye inflammation, including conjunctivitis, an inflammation that causes redness, itching, discomfort, and is highly contagious. Sarsaparilla provides comfort for all those who experience these symptoms. The ideal use is also just 1 cup of tea a day. 5. gotu kola. Also known as Centella asiatica, which is its scientific name, gotu kola made it onto our list because it has a powerful effect on blood circulation due to its compounds that promote the dilation of blood vessels, which ensures an efficient flow to the eyes. Because it is anti-inflammatory, bactericidal, calming, stimulating, and improves blood circulation, Centella asiatica has been recommended in the treatment of skin diseases such as dermatitis, leprosy, and psoriasis, as well as being widely used to treat anxiety, poor circulation, and mental fatigue. In addition, its use is also associated with improved clarity of vision and combating eye fatigue caused by excessive use of smartphones and tablets, securing its 5th place in our ranking. The maximum recommended dose is 1 to 2 grams of dried leaves in the form of an infusion, which can be consumed up to twice a day. You should respect these limits. High doses can cause headaches, dizziness, hypertension, and mild to moderate narcotic states. In the event of an overdose, it is recommended to discontinue use and seek medical advice. 6. Ginkgo biloba. This is one of the oldest trees in the world, known as a true living fossil, according to botanical catalogues. It originated in southeast China, which is the only place on the planet where gigantic specimens still exist in the wild. Its use in Oriental medicine is very common. Its leaves have been used for millennia by mankind as a raw material for extracts to cure various ailments, including those that affect vision. Ginkgo biloba acts on circulation at various levels, improving peripheral irrigation, activating cellular metabolism, and reducing the risk of thrombosis. It prevents vascular accidents and aging due to its antioxidant action. One of the great powers of this plant is its ability to improve blood circulation without interfering with blood pressure or heart rate. In addition, it drains fluids retained in the eye area, reducing dark circles. In other words, as well as being an excellent partner for physical health, this herb is also an ally for beauty and aesthetics. Tea made from its leaves prevents or slows down the progression of a disease called macular degeneration, as well as cataracts and glaucoma. It can also be used in extract form, which is sold encapsulated by various supplement brands. While this plant provides many health benefits, you just have to be careful not to consume too many, as some of them can cause intestinal discomfort. If you are pregnant and have conditions such as diabetes or high blood pressure, we always recommend that you consult your doctor before making any changes to your diet. Now, let's learn a basic tea recipe that you can use to make an infusion with most of the herbs that exist. Making good tea is simple, practical, and free of secrets. For those of you seeking a healthier life, including a few cups of tea in your daily routine could be the key to success. Start by boiling a cup of water, or as much as you want to brew. Generally, you should wait for the water to boil before adding the leaves of the herbs of your choice. Only some of the more sensitive and aromatic leaves, such as basil or mint, require the water to be at a lower temperature. You can throw the cleaned leaves directly into the water after boiling, or use an infuser or disposable tea filter. The ideal infusion time is 5 to 10 minutes. After this stage, simply strain and serve. You can use some kind of sweetener, sugar, or honey if you prefer a sweeter drink. But be careful, too much sugar can be harmful. Include some of these herbs in your diet, and you will surely notice improvements in your health within a few days. They are all easy to find in any market or specialty store. Additionally, you can also buy them online and have them delivered directly to your home. We hope you found this content useful. If so, give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and click the notification bell for more informative content. Subscribe to our channel to keep up with our special health tips. I'll leave you with 2 more recommended videos to watch to ensure that you stay informed on any relevant topics about health and nutrition. Thanks for sticking with us all this time. See you soon. Bye.